Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an unboxing and what to expect video for the Ant Audio Wave Sports 700. Now this is a truly wireless earphone which has IPX5 rated, so this is splash proof. The wireless is actually the range on this is actually pretty good. Even though people say it's 10 meters, it goes beyond that also. Sometimes we'll be testing that. The best thing about this is that it's got extra bass. So let's go ahead, open this up, see what do you get with this, and then test the extra bass too. Okay, so what do you get in the box? You get the charging case, the earbuds itself, and extra ear tips. So you have two over here, one on that, so you have small, medium and large, and one a micro USB short charging cable. Now with this you get one introduction, basically welcome to Ant Audio booklet, not actually a booklet, just a piece of paper. In this it shows you the places that you can actually visit, the websites, the Instagram thing, the Twitter, the Facebook, all that is over here. Then you have the manual, the user manual. So this shows you how to switch it on, how to charge, how to pair, all that is over here. So we'll be doing that anyways. So let me go ahead, use it for some time, and then we will be talking about it. Okay, so I tested it for a few hours. So let's talk about what to expect from this. Now, let's talk about what features do you get in comparison to other truly wireless earbuds. Now, this one gives you extra bass. Now, this one really does give you extra bass. Most of the truly wireless earphones, I don't really get much of bass from it. Now, bass is a problem with most of the Bluetooth earphone. Wired ones do a better job, but this one I was really surprised by the bass. It actually has low end bass in this, which is normally not available in other truly wireless or regular wireless earphones too. So this actually gave me low end bass and I really enjoyed the music. I was actually surprised. I didn't know how are they managing to do that, because the loudness is a lot, so it's very loud, very loud, and the noise isolation is excellent. So that's a good and a bad thing. So if you wear this, you will not be able to hear anything around you, period. So I could only see my phones ringing. I could see it, but I could not hear them. So I had to use one of the earbud and keep one in the case, because I was not able to hear anything around me. So noise isolation wise, excellent. The bass quality is very good. Loudness, it's very loud. The differentiation in the sound in the instruments, everything was very clear, very crisp. So no matter what kind of music you listen to, this will actually sound very good. But if you are not into bass, then I'll not recommend this, because this has a lot of bass in it. So that brings me to one point. I don't know how the battery life is going to be. They say 4 hours, for at least 3.5 hours should be available through this, but I don't know. I'll have to test it further. I'll take it to the gym today. I'll use it for my walks and cycling and all these activities. I'll use this, and then we'll come to know if the battery is actually that good, because with so much of volume, so much of bass, I do not expect it to give me more than 3.5 hours of battery life. So excellent in the sound department. Okay, now let's talk about build quality. Now the build quality on this is pretty good. It's not going to look like one of those premium ones, but it does do a good job. This is entirely made of plastic with this leather kind of texture on it, which actually makes it look pretty good. You have a magnetic door over here. This entire thing is magnetic, and the earbuds, when they go in, even they are magnetic, so they stay in place. So no matter how much you do this, it will not fall down. So that's pretty good. It does not have one of those rotating ones or one of those clasps which goes in, which can break. So it's pretty good in that area. So I really like that. The size of this is pretty small. You have the micro USB charging port in front and four LEDs to show how much of battery is left. So right now it's charging the earbuds. When you look at it, the earbuds have a LED notification on both the sides. So that's how it gets the that's how you'll know whether it's on, whether it's off, whether it's in pairing mode. All those things will be shown from here. I think that's basically it for the first video. I'll be testing it further and then I'll tell you more about it. Okay, so let's talk about a few things a few things important before I end this video. So now, if you want to use any voice assistant like Google Now or Siri or anything, both the earbuds allow you to do that. So if you keep it pressed on any of them, it will activate them. So that's a good thing. Normally, you only have that on one of the earbuds. So if you want to go to next track, then you have to double press on the right earbud. If you want to go back a track, then you have to double press on the left earbud. So that's the only function you have. You can attend call and all that thing, that's normal from any of them. But other than that, you do not have those fancy features like outside sound coming in. All those features are not available on this. So just remember that it will not give you any battery information or something like that, double press, triple press or something like that. All those features are not. It's plain and simple. So now this one is for 2,499, almost 2,500 in Landmark store. If you get it from Landmark store, good. 2,500 is a good price. But if you are getting it online for 7,000 something, then there are other earbuds which you've seen my Electra video, the Crossbeat Electra. They are at a discount. They are for around 5,999 somewhere. It's even 4,999. So they are much cheaper, and if I compare both of them, then I'll go for the Electra. But if you go for something at this price, like 2,500, then this is a very good earbud. Good bass, good build quality. The battery life, I'll be checking. I'll use it more and then I'll let you know. The other thing which I really liked is the form factor. This is actually very, very small. So let me just show you how small this is. So if I take this, put it in my ear, and all I have to do is put it in like that. So it's that small. So even if I'm wearing a helmet or whatever I'm wearing, it actually goes flush. So you won't be able to see it properly too. So it's that good. Now, mostly truly wireless earbuds don't have good mics. So I'll be doing the sound test and then I'll let you know if the mic quality is going to be good. But the sound quality is excellent. So very good fit. Now you have these two points over here, and the left and right is written over here itself. So the 2 points over here is for the charging. It goes in and then charges there. So nothing fancy, and this is IPX5 rated, so splash proof. I will be taking it to the steam room and then we'll be checking if that this survives that. I'll be going in the rain. If it rains, I'll be going in the rain and show you how good the waterproofness or water resistance on this is going to be. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.